Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Exploring the AI bubble, Citi's prediction and its longevity, S&P 500's two-week losing streak precedes crucial Fed rate decision, real estate stocks take a hit amid economic data and rate cut uncertainty. SpaceX enters espionage with U.S. spy satellite network construction, unraveling banks' involvement in the shaky commercial property market. FAA probes United Airlines missing Boeing 737 panel incident. Meta faces federal investigation over alleged role in illegal drug sales, and LinkedIn ventures into gaming. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Opinions are split on Wall Street regarding the possibility of artificial intelligence, or AI, causing a bubble. This is due to tech stocks like Nvidia and AMD experiencing significant increases in their valuations. Christopher Danley, an analyst at Citi, suggests that this trend might persist until 2025. He compares it to the tech bubble of 1999. However, he points out a key difference. Unlike in 1999, the current hype is grounded on something tangible, the expansion of the chip market by AI. Despite some apprehensions, there are those who believe we're at the dawn of a fourth industrial revolution propelled by AI.
The Standard & Poor's 500 concluded the previous week with a minor pullback, recording its second successive weekly decline. This occurrence is in line with inflation data that surpassed expectations and a deceleration in retail sales, prompting investors to reassess their predictions for interest rate cuts. The spotlight now moves to the Federal Reserve's monetary policy verdict in the coming week. In other news, Oracle experienced a stock boost following remarkable quarterly outcomes while Dollar Tree fell short of performance expectations. Regarding sector performance, energy topped gains whereas real estate bore the brunt of losses.
Stocks in the real estate sector have suffered a blow this week, influenced by economic data that has affected hopes of rate cuts and an absence of encouraging news. The S&P 500 index experienced a decline of 0.13%, marking its second weekly loss in a row, as markets recalibrated their expectations for interest rate cuts in light of inflation and sales data. In the meantime, it is anticipated that the Federal Reserve will keep rates stable at the monetary policy decision next Wednesday. Increasing mortgage rates are deterring potential homebuyers, leading to an increase in rental demand and prices. The $418 million settlement by the National Association of Realtors over collusion allegations also had a negative impact on real estate stocks.
Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, commonly known as SpaceX, is said to be working on a project under a confidential contract worth $1.8 billion with the United States National Reconnaissance Office. The project involves the development of an extensive network comprising hundreds of espionage satellites. This initiative underscores SpaceX's escalating participation in U.S. intelligence and military ventures, and it also brings attention to the Pentagon's financial commitment towards satellite systems that orbit at low Earth altitudes.
Small banks in the United States are facing a significant risk due to their substantial involvement in the commercial real estate market, valued at $20 trillion. This market is currently struggling with financing problems and a decrease in office occupancy. More than half of the outstanding loans related to commercial real estate are held by these smaller financial institutions. Even though there have been some financial safety nets provided, worries continue about potential loan losses. The International Monetary Fund has issued a warning that this large exposure to commercial real estate could lead to serious risks, especially considering the current economic uncertainty and increasing interest rates.
The Federal Aviation Administration, also known as the FAA, is currently conducting an investigation into an incident involving a United Airlines Boeing 737-800. This aircraft lost an external panel prior to its safe landing in Oregon. Despite this occurrence, there were no signs of damage during the flight. The plane was carrying a total of 139 passengers and 6 crew members at the time of the incident. United Airlines has made a commitment to carry out a comprehensive examination and necessary repairs before allowing the plane to return to service.
An investigation is currently underway by federal officials into Meta Platforms, the company that owns Facebook and Instagram. The allegations suggest that these platforms may be aiding and profiting from unlawful drug sales. Subpoenas have been issued as part of a criminal grand jury probe by U.S. prosecutors in Virginia, with backing from the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. In response to these allegations, Meta has declared its active cooperation with law enforcement agencies in an effort to fight against illegal drug sales.
Microsoft is set to launch puzzle-based games on LinkedIn with the goal of improving user experience and fostering stronger connections. This initiative comes in the wake of the New York Times Wordle game's success. Contrary to rumors regarding score arrangement based on workplaces, LinkedIn has rectified these false assertions. Recently, Microsoft's gaming division announced a revenue of $7.1 billion for the second quarter.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in knowledge, stay financially savvy, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.